Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a device that's making waves in the small business and retail world. The NIIMBOT 3-inch label maker, Model B31. This portable label printer is designed to streamline labeling tasks, offering a robust solution for everything from barcodes to address labels, logos, and product tags. One of the immediate standouts of the B31 is its compact and portable design. It's built to be moved, allowing users to print labels wherever they're needed, whether that's at a market stall, in a warehouse, or right at the point of sale. The 3-inch label capability is a significant advantage, providing ample space for detailed information, larger barcodes that scan easily, or more prominent branding with logos. This larger format truly sets it apart, enabling a level of detail and readability that smaller label makers simply can't match. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to its Bluetooth technology. The NIIMBOT B31 pairs effortlessly with both smartphones and PCs, giving users flexibility in how they design and print their labels. This means one can create professional-looking labels on the go using a mobile app, or leverage more advanced design features on a desktop computer. The thermal printing method is another key benefit. It eliminates the need for expensive ink cartridges, significantly reducing ongoing operational costs and maintenance. Users simply load a roll of thermal labels, and they're ready to print, making it an incredibly efficient and eco-friendly choice. For small businesses and retail operations, the B31 offers a powerful tool for enhancing efficiency and professionalism. Imagine quickly generating batches of barcode labels for new inventory, printing clear address labels for shipping, or creating custom tags that elevate product presentation. The ability to handle various label types makes it incredibly versatile. It's not just a barcode printer, it's a comprehensive labeling solution that adapts to diverse business needs. The intuitive software, whether on a phone or computer, guides the user through the label creation process, making it accessible even for those new to label printing. This device truly empowers businesses to manage their labeling requirements with precision and ease, ultimately contributing to a more organized and professional operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.